Simon from Gfix. I've never said that on camera before. Feels very strange. This is to say thank you. We've got the 14,000 subscribers, which is a massive milestone. Don't get me wrong, 1,000 subscribers is a massive milestone. 14 is just phenomenal. Hopefully you've been watching the Mark on Golf repairs. Just finished that off and going to be having a baby, well, involved in having a baby. So there may be a little bit of a delay in content for a while. When we come back, this will be off the lift. The red Land Rover will be in to do the repairs on that. The blue Land Rover will be out to do the bulkhead repairs, which is going to be finicky, horrible. Don't really want to do it, want to put a new bulkhead on, but I'm not spending 1,200 quid. The camper is going on the back burner while we're waiting for all the Porsche engine parts. So it's basically going to be welding. We'll be welding the red Land Rover, welding the blue Land Rover, and then we're going to dip into the MGA, and I want to get the Sprite welded up. So hopefully next week we'll be having a new welder from Artec. It's not sponsored, I'll be paying for it, unless Artec want to. Yeah, so everyone take care, thank you for subscribing, it's much appreciated. It does make a massive difference with our suggested videos and content and things. It's going to be a bit sparta through the summer due to new arrivals, but we'll try and get some content going. And then when the Land Rovers are done and gone, we're going to be moving on to the MGA, the blue Astra, and possibly one other project, but we'll see how it goes. Right, take care, thanks a lot, bye bye. Yeah, I'm going to try and sneak this bit in at the start, but if it doesn't make sense, this is why I'm filming it at the end. Thought to celebrate the 14,000 subscriber, we'll have a bit of an old start, cold start fest after my little commenty bit that I filmed the other day. I'm going to get as many things started as we can. Hope you enjoy, take care, bye bye. Well, not bye bye, because this is the start of the video. You know what I mean. Enjoy, that's the word. Alright, so we're having a fleet, hello, we're having a fleet change around. This is going, much as I love it, it's not getting used, and even though it's in a state, it's not hugely practical. So we're swapping this for something else. I've just cleared all my junk out of it, and I got a new battery, which I've put somewhere. Where'd you put that? Oh, there it is. New battery to chuck in it. We'll see if it starts, which hopefully it will, and then this will be gone. I can't remember the last time I started this. Like a watch with not much petrol in. Yeah, see if it actually moves. Not leaving the handbrake on's definitely helped. How close is that stuff behind? I'll probably do. Lovely. The doors are cool. Yeah. Bye bye Impreza. It's been real. Said I'd have one. I've had one. There's a spare set of wheels to go with it, which is down the workshop, so I'll dig them out for him. Move all this junk off the drive. Alright. As we're old start, cold start and stuff. Just chucked a little battery on this. Oh, come on. Bit smoky. done. Ow, chappy, but alright, so we know it still starts because I'm going to move it soon. Alright. Chuffing away there like a little bit of smoke coming out of it, but yeah, alright. Faithful Sprinter. She's a good one. I'm going to leave our run for 5 to... Got any diesel in it? Oh yeah, always lights on. Yeah, so fair play. That's the second turn of the key. And it did take a generous jug of easy start, glug of easy start. Yeah, right, so this morning we've moved the red one, that started fine. We got rid of the Impreza, had the new car, started that. The van started fine, even though that's been probably 5 weeks since that's been moved. We're doing alright. So the old start, cold start is doing quite respectably. If we're going to do an episode of this, we'll start... Oh, I took the battery off this now. Right, I need a battery for this one. This is probably the battery that's on a Sprinter for a minute, so I'll leave that on for 5. Then we'll put the battery on a Freelander. That should start. And we'll start something else after that. Alright. Yeah, that is quite chuffy. I have got some Mercedes diesel injector seals. I don't know if they're the right ones. And I bought the cutter. So I could do it. And it needs to come back a little bit. And it's absolutely jam-packed full of stuff. Right, we'll come back. As you've probably been seeing, I'm using this as temporary storage for a body shell. Oh! Oh, it's mint. Gear change is getting quite stiff. You get some WD-40 down somewhere. Right, knock this off, steal the battery back, start something else. I was just going to say, this one always starts. I thought I better not jinx myself. That's right. Oh, that's still in gear. Try that again. Rookie mistake there. No shirt with handbags league engine. Which, considering I haven't serviced it since I got it... Oh, when did I have this? God. 8 years ago? Something like that. It is a little bit smoky, but still good. Don't think the alternator's charging. So the starting is a bit battery dependent. Did put an alternator on it when I was using it. This has been used as temporary skip. Right. Next one. The joys. That one. Is this one in here? Yes. Glow plug light doesn't appear to work. CD player works, sort of. I haven't done fan belts on this one. And you can smell them burning. Yeah, considering it's an old Land Rover, actually pretty sweet. Did leak a bit of oil on the trailer. Alrighty then. A little bit smoky, but again, old Land Rover terms, that ain't too bad. Will the Corrado start today? I'm not hopeful. It hasn't started for ages. I did notice the TCI, I think that's what it is the same on the Mark 1 Golf as this, possibly. Maybe. I don't know. This might be going to my friend. I need to speak to my friend, see how busy he is. He's got a Mark 2 Golf GDI 16 valve. It's exactly the same setup. So I might ask him, does he fancy having a go at trying to fix it? He likes a challenge. Hiya, Michael. Or Wacker, if you're local. Okay. So we know this one's good. Nice and rattly, like it should be. Okay, next bit. This is one we're not confident about. As you've seen, I've had problems with this one. I have got it to run by unplugging things and plugging them back in again. We'll have a little play. 1 second. Right, we're going to try 2 more cold starts. Will the Mark 1 Golf that I've been working on work? Ow. I think that's neutral. Oh, not even ignition lights. Oh, I know what that is. It's this one. Resolve that properly. One tiny wire on the battery for ignition or something. Hopefully I'll drag some. There we go. Exhaust is still knocking on the axle then. Choke's only set up on 1 carb on this. It runs quite nice after a little while. Yeah, 1 out of the 2 carbs has got the choke on, so it's missing and backfiring a bit. Okay. Yeah, the exhaust is hitting the back axle. It will do till I've raised it up a little bit. Disconnect the battery. Right, last one. I don't know if this one's going to work. Excuse the mess. Also, the keys are in it. Luckily the bonnet hinges are seized. I take my sunglasses. It's dark in here. There we go. Connect that one. And it is this one, I think. No, it's always the other one. Just get a bit of easy start. Or in Australia, start you bastard. Oh, where's that gone? Alright, let's try it without easy start. Ah, there's some. Choke cable seized. Oh yeah! Ah, keeping all the dirt flying out the exhaust. Excellent. Rocking. So that concludes our 14,000 subscriber old start, cold start, or the ones I can get to easily anyway. Thanks for putting up with it. Take care. I'm going to get out before the fumes knock me out. Happy VE Day, which is what all the noise are. I'm at the corner of two, not conflicting, different street parties, and they're playing different music, which is a bit like having headphones on, but with different music in each ear. So yeah, happy VE Day. Hope everyone's staying safe. Take care. Don't know what I'm going to point at to finish. Right, bye.